What's going on, YouTube? Queso Stunts here. Sorry I haven't really been posting a lot of content lately. I've been moving out to my new house and it's been a hectic like 3 weeks, but I'm finally settled in. And last night I found this bad boy and I ended up going to see it, and I bought it for $150. I really don't even know what to say. I'm gonna have to show you guys my upcoming project. You guys ready? You guys ready? You ready, Rosie? You ready? Boom. How you doing? It's a 2008 mini chopper, 125cc, 4-gear transmission. It runs. Of course, it needs some love. It has rust everywhere. It needs to be sanded down, painted, given some TLC. Motor runs. The dude took off the exhaust. He stayed with it. Honestly, couldn't blame him for the price I got it for. For some reason, they decided to cut the brake line, the master cylinder brake line, and just remove the lever. You know, it has these little things. You know, I gotta figure out this light situation. Possibly get a fender eliminator. Gotta paint it. Get rid of those flames. It's gonna be a fun little project. So tune in, subscribe if you haven't already.